So there was a video that was shared on Limpopo Boy Facebook page of him naked and Matshidiso Matilda dancing as well, and it looked like they were having sex or something like that. And unfortunately, I cannot share the video here. So someone hacked his Facebook page and leaked the videos. Let me just read what he posted. He said, "Hey team, Limpopo Boy, please note that my TikTok and Instagram are hacked for now. Please don't send anything to the person who hacked my accounts. This person is trying by all means to destroy my name by creating AI videos and post on my socials." There's nothing AI about the videos that were posted, because you can actually differentiate if something is AI and an original video. And then on his status, that person that hacked actually posted that, "Tell Limpopo Boy to send me money before I give him his phone." So I think there was an issue of payments, and that's why that person, I'm not really sure of the amount or so, but now he gained access to his Facebook page. Let me just read what he posted. He's saying, "We are aware of the unauthorized and malicious distribution of private video content linked to Limpopo Boy Robert Matome Talker. This content was stolen without consent and shared entirely without authorization. This is a severe violation of privacy and a criminal matter. We're in process of engaging cybersecurity experts to investigate the source of this breach. We are actively working with legal teams and hosting platforms to ensure the immediate removal of those links and files. We request that the public to assist by refraining from sharing, downloading, or interacting with those links, as distributing this material is unlawful and causes further harm. Calling out all cybersecurity experts to assist. Contact his manager. No further comments will be made at this time to protect the integrity of our artists. Therefore, your support and understanding would be greatly appreciated, management team." So it means that for now, they haven't gotten anyone who can actually stop or delete the posts that are being made all over social media, because already people are distributing the material. The videos are all over, and the damage has already been done. And on this post, I can actually see that they are not saying it's AI. They are acknowledging, and it's now different from what he said. He actually said it's AI. Now the team is saying, "We are making sure that we get hold of the person that distributed without his consent." So you see that the statements are kind of different, the statements that are being made here. So I don't know what is going to happen, because Matshidiso is actually married, and she has destroyed her marriage. That's what I can say. And Limpopo Boy has also destroyed his career, because this will be talked about with a lot of people. And I don't really know where they met. And now the husband to Matshidiso is actually saying it's AI. Guys, don't believe whatever you're seeing. It's not my wife. But we know he's just ashamed of what his wife did, because there's no man who can actually admit. Sometimes it takes long for you to say it was my wife. So I feel for him as well that he doesn't deserve all of this, and probably it was just a one night thing, or I don't know where they met. Probably he promoted one of the shows that he was at, I don't know, and then they ended up going to do whatever they did. I don't know what you guys think. Let me know in the comment section what are your thoughts on this one. If you haven't subscribed, please make sure that you are subscribed, and see you in my next video.